Hello and good morning everyone. I'm Gaurav Bansal, founder Pink Panda, and I am the first generation author and a digital marketer. These days now we make ad ourselves, which is good by the way. But do we know are we doing it correctly or not? Most of the times we follow others without knowing if they're doing it right or not. So today I'm going to share with you one important tip on Google Ad which will not only help you to get more leads but will also push your competitor down the list, be it in your desktop or on your mobile screens. So the tip for today is for Google Ads. Google Ads provides you with 8 free extensions. Yes, you heard me right. Not one, not two, but 8, which are absolutely free to all the users who are on Google Ads. In this video, I will tell you which are all these 8 extensions. So here you go. Number 1 is site link extension. Number 2 is call out extension. Number 3 is call extension. Number 4 is structured snippet extension. Number 5 is pricing extension. Number 6 is message extension. Number 7 is promotion extension. And lastly is location extension. If you have the local business listing in your present, then you can use this location extension as well. So in the series of my next videos, I will give you a small brief on all these 8 extensions because you might be wondering what are these and what is their utility. So I'll share with you in my next series of video. So if you don't want to miss it out, you can click on the link to subscribe to this channel and you will get the notifications so that you do not miss out from others. So, and if you also want my agency to help you out, so you can send email to this and we will do the needful. So see you all next time. Thank you everyone for watching this video.